We got all the time in the world, for better or worse, we should stay together. Yeah, baby, if you are feeling like I do, we can run away across the ocean. I still get
Pillow mamaya kineme, ganun. At ito nga palang sampayan ng kurtina namin, medyo binaba ko na ulit back to original kung saan siya ito medyo may pagka-beige or cream. Hindi nalalayo sa mismong kulay ng aming original na sofa. So ayan, nabili ko nga pala itong pambalot na to sa Shopee. Wala nang iba. Shopee. Charot. O diba may pa-voice over ngayon ng Mami Kim Nyo ulit? Dahil nga naman, kapag cleaning motivation nga naman at paglilinis dito sa bahay ay talaga namang baka makapiright ako kapag sobrang haba ng music na ginamit ko. So kailangan may pa-voice over ang Mami Kim Nyo. Ganun. In fairness guys ha, medyo mabigat itong aming couch. Pero kinaya ko pa rin at kakayanin ko pa rin itong napakasimpleng bagay na dapat kong gawin para sa aming bahay. Dahil pag hindi ko to ginawa, sinong gagawa? Siyempre si Daddy Dennis, diba? Kaya naman. Sa totoo lang guys, hindi ko talaga alam paano ikabit itong binili ko sa Shopee. Hindi ko alam kung para saan ba tong mga tali na to, kung saan ba siya ikakabit, kung dito ba or dito. Ay nako, kung pa zigzag ba, pa vertical, horizontal. Hindi ko talaga alam. Ay, medyo ayan na nga. So, hindi ko alam kung tama ba tong ginagawa ko, no? Pero ayun na nga, feeling ko tama naman. Kasi ayan, nakikita ko na yung magiging kalalabasan. So, medyo binuhul-buhul ko lang yan siya dyan at nasira pa nga yung isang tali, no? So, ayan na nga, tinanggal ko nga pala dun sa may paanan yung tela at baka masira or mabutas dahil syempre urong-urong din yung mga sofa, diba? So, diba, yan kita nyo, mala Hercules ang lola nyo dyan. Hercules talaga yung naisip, nakakaloka, pwede namang Wonder Woman na lang. Charot!
And there's no point in losing any more sleep than you have. And if you keep on looking, your mind will make up things.
Ayun pala yung natatapos ko. Diba? Ang dami pa rin tambak. Kasi mga paninda yung bags. Tapos itong mga to stocks. Itong aparador hindi pa nga napapalitan ng paint.
As your world begins to sink, don't look too far ahead, my friend. Your flow will turn to lava, turn to lava. Okay. Don't look too far ahead, 'cause anything could change in ways we cannot understand. Oh. And if you keep on looking, your mind will make up things. And the floor will turn to lava as your world begins to sink. As your world begins to sink. It's your world. Don't manifest the lava now all up on your floor as you forget to live your life again. Don't manifest the lava now all up on your floor as you forget to live your life. As your world begins to sink, it's your world. Okay. Don't look too far ahead, you cannot see the future. And there's no point in losing any more sleep than you have. And if you keep on looking, your mind will make up things. And the floor will turn to lava as your world begins to sink. Don't look too far ahead, my friend. Your floor will turn to lava, turn to lava. Don't look too far ahead, my friend. Your floor will turn to lava, turn to lava.
So, ito na nga guys, yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na throw pillow cases natin na partner ko dun sa ating cortina at dito sa aming pang-cover sa sofa. So, ayan, nag-matchy-matchy naman at syempre, ipinilit ko talaga ang pang-cover namin sa sofa. O siya, babush!